Okay guys, so it is December the 17th and I'm out here again. We're still getting snow. Okay, there's a whole bunch of snow on the veranda. There are my funny pants and these are not winter boots, guys, because they're not water resistant. They're just for like the dry snow. Well, you know what I mean, when there's no wet stuff. So there's a person over there shoveling the snow. You see, they're cleaning their walkway from the snow. There's a lot more snow today. So you see, you cannot see even our front walkway. It's all covered with a lot more snow. See the car now, it has more snow all around it. And on top of it too. The wind, whoa, getting snow everywhere. See guys, he's shoveling the snow. That's what I do. That's what I'm gonna have to do when the snow stops falling, because if you shovel the snow when it's coming down, you know, it's gonna your property is gonna get covered full of snow again. Then you're gonna have to do another job of shoveling the snow. So I don't shovel the snow when it's snowing. You're required to shovel the snow 24 hours after a snowfall, right? But some people, they like to shovel the snow. When it's snowing. They like to shovel the snow when it's snowing. Hope you can't see me filming them. People don't normally like you filming them. Okay, I'll turn around just in case. Look at the little tiny car, guys. It's so small. Look at my stairs, guys. See? It's all full of snow. Snow is very cold. What I mean, if you touch the snow, guys, for you guys that are in places where you have never had any snow, then, oh, it's so cold. Is it still snowing? Yeah, it is still snowing. Anyway, I have to shovel, guys, the snow. After I finish eating, then I will shovel the snow. Oh, here comes somebody. I don't know who they are, but they're rushing to go somewhere. Running, they're running. Maybe they have to catch the streetcar. It's cloudy out here. There's one of the streetcar drivers, guys. He's a transit driver on the streetcar. You guys, you know the streetcars that come by, that big red vehicle that passed by my house. He's one of the drivers. Here comes another streetcar. Way over there. You see it? Whoops. Oh. Okay, there you are. There's a streetcar. There it is. He's one of the transit drivers for one of those streetcars. Or a bus, but normally it's for the streetcars because over here we have the parking lot for the streetcars. So all the streetcar drivers are over here. Ooh, the snow. See, there's a taxi. You see how slow he's going? That's how slow they should be going. Because the streets are very slippery. Okay, that's how slow they should be going. The other cars are going a lot faster. And if they slip and slide, then it's going to be their own fault. And if they cause a delay, then they have no one else to blame but themselves. See, that's a streetcar. So for you guys who don't know, we have new streetcars and they are 100 feet long. And those new streetcars look so different. They look very futuristic, and once in a while they will come down this way. Yep. There are so many little birds that keep flying over there in that house because my neighbor from that house has put some bird food and the little birds are eating. You see how they're flying everywhere? Yeah. Look at all the snow, guys. It's warmer than it was in the last video that I filmed from December 15. Okay, I don't want to fall. See, guys, look, that's the snow. I'm gonna pick it up to see, for you guys to see, so you know what. You see, snow. If you have gloves that are made out of leather, then your hands will not get wet. But if you have gloves like mine, they're made out of fabric, cotton. Then if you play with the snow out here long enough, then your hands are gonna get wet. Yeah, and then your hands will freeze. So it's good not to play with the snow if you have these kinds of gloves on, you know. Cotton gloves, fabric gloves. When I was a little child, you know, with my brother, both of my brothers, we used to play in the snow and we used to get our hands, we didn't care, you know, because you know when you're a child, you don't care if you get wet or whatever. Your hands are going to get wet and you will freeze, but you will stay out there for hours and you play for hours, and then when you go home, then that's when you get relief because it's nice and warm. But yeah. But the best kind of protection for your hands, guys, are mittens, not gloves. Because mittens keep your fingers together, right? And when you have your fingers together, they're warm. But if you have your fingers like this, your fingers are not together and your hands cannot generate, not generate, but you can't really, your fingers cannot benefit from the heat that is coming from your other fingers, But I prefer these ones. Well, I guess I don't really mind mittens or gloves. These ones are easier because you can handle things better, right? But if you have mittens, I guess maybe some of you guys who don't come from cold weather like this country don't know what mittens are. Mittens are the hand protectors that they have like they don't have fingers, okay? You just stick your hand in one piece of material, okay? And they have the thumb. They have the thumb, and then this part here is one whole piece where you stick your hand in it and your fingers are together. You understand? Okay. Anyway, but it's harder to handle things when you have mittens. Yep. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go inside now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go inside. By the way, here is our shovel. You see that there? That's our shovel. That's what I'm gonna use to remove the snow from our driveway. From our walkway. It's the same thing that the man across the street is using to remove the snow from his walkway. See, there's another person over there walking. But she doesn't look like she's in a hurry. It's okay. She's taking her time, being very slow, and being very careful. Okay, that's another streetcar. This one here has two parts to it. You see over here? There, that's one part, and the other part is over there. The first streetcars that you guys were seeing coming down only had that first part over there. These ones were the latest ones that came after the first ones. So this streetcar here, okay, that one was created after the first ones that don't have these two parts. But now we have even newer ones, and they have more parts. Like I said, they're 100 feet long, guys. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go, but just let me film. Okay, so you see how you cannot see from where you walk from the veranda all the way down there. You cannot see where the walkway is, and you can't really see the sidewalk. That's why you have to be very careful. You see, you can't even see my neighbors. It's all covered with snow. Not even my neighbor's walkway you can see. Alright guys, I'm going to go now. I'm going to go. See you later. Hope you like the show.